So now let's see how we can work around with 3D effect inside a Photopea. So in order to work around with 3D effect, I need to go around over here onto, let's say for example, a shape right here. And let's say I want to turn this 3D. In that case, you can go around and right click on the shape right here and then go around onto blending options. So once you go around over there, you can see that 3D is an option right here, just like this. So you can go around and change the opacity of the 3D and change around the angle as well. So you get an illusion of the 3D right here. You can change around the distance and increase out the length of the 3D effect right here, and even go around and shrink it out on the end if you want right here. You can also go around and choose around the shape right here according to how you want right here, just like this. And this is what you have. You can also go around and change around the light right here, as you can see right here. You can change around where the light source is coming from, and you can go around and darken out the edges as you want as well, just like that. So that is what you have. So if I were to go around and change around the distance right here, you can make it larger around over here, just like this as well, and press OK, and then the 3D effect is added in right here, just like that. So that is how you can work around with 3D effect inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.